I just feel like I'm sitting on somebody's beach right now. And I'm in my kitchen. Damn, that's good. That's my favorite one. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carlena Davis of Spilling the Sweet Tea. And today we're on episode 3 of my Pulling Up to the Cookout, Bring This series. And baby, today it's all about the cocktails. Because baby, everybody can't cook. Maybe bartending is your ministry. So let me show you what we got today for our cocktail series. All right, y'all, the first cocktail in my cookout series, Pulling Up to the Cookout, Bring This, is this Arnold Palmer Slushie. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, so here are our ingredients. You're gonna need, of course, some sweet tea. I made my own. You're gonna need some lemonade, and I'm using my girl Beyonce's SirDavis Whiskey. And to garnish it and make it nice and pretty, I have my sweet tea sauce that I'm gonna dip the rim of my glass in, some lemon sugar, and a little lemon slice. That's it, that's all. Pull up to the cookout and make this cocktail. All right, y'all, let's load this slushie machine up. First things first, we're gonna add our sweet tea. And I just made my homemade sweet tea with 2 cups of sugar, 2 family size tea bags, and some water. That's it, that's all. So we're gonna add our sweet tea. I feel like that's enough. Next ingredient, our Simply lemonade. You can make your own homemade lemonade, but I like the Simply lemonade. It tastes really good. You're gonna add about the same amount of lemonade to your tea. That's why they call it a half and half, aka Arnold Palmer. You dig? And last but not least, SirDavis. About 1.5 ounces of SirDavis, or you can add some more. This your party, this your cookout, okay? You know your guests better than me. About that much. Wait a minute, it's a party, it's a party. Summertime. Okay, now we're gonna crank up this slushie machine and get the party started. All you wanna do is press spiked slush, because we added a little liquor in here. And it's gonna get to doing what the Ninja Slushie does. Baby, Miss Ninja has done her thing. Okay, look at this slushie. I am so excited to try this Arnold Palmer slushie. But we gotta prepare our glass first, okay? So, the first thing we're gonna need is that sweet tea sauce. It's coming soon. I've been in the lab, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of sauce to this plate. A little bit of sauce to the plate, so we can line the rim of our glass. That'll do it. And then we're gonna use this beautiful lemon sugar. Woo, she's pretty. Now this is screaming summertime. So all you wanna do is take your glass and dip it into your sweet tea sauce. Just like that. Make sure she's coated well. Now into our lemon sugar. Look how pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna cut up my lemon slices. Ooh, this is a nice little sharp knife. I like that. Woo. Do a little slit for a cute little lemon slice garnish. We love that. I added a little bit of tea at the bottom, you know, for the true Arnold Palmer effect. And now we're gonna dispense our slushie. Let's go. Woo, woo. She is giving nice and slushed to capacity. Come on, summertime. Ooh. Little splash, not too much, but we celebrating summer 2026. Just a little bit of SirDavis on the top, just to take us where we need to be this summer. That looks amazing. All right, y'all, this is cocktail number 2, and we're making a tropical pineapple punch. Let me show you what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need, of course, a pineapple. We're gonna serve this cocktail in the actual pineapple. You're gonna need some Malibu, boo. I have pineapple Malibu. You can use coconut if you want. Use whatever you got. You're gonna need some orange juice, some coconut water, pineapple juice, and we're gonna garnish it with a cherry and a little cute umbrella. Let's go. All right, first things first, take the top off your pineapple, okay? You just don't take off too much because you want your cup to be runneth over, okay? So just take the top off, just like this. And when you get pineapples from the grocery store, when you want to fill the pineapple with a drink, make sure you have like a sturdy pineapple. It's not on no gangsta lean, okay? This one is nice and sturdy, which is why I picked it. What's gonna make coring your pineapple very easy is a pineapple core. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link it in the description of the video. You just wanna take it, hold your pineapple really tight, and just twist it. Baby, bear down on that thing and twist it. And it's gonna pull this pineapple out in one fell swoop. Come on up. Come on out of there. Ooh, look at that. We have nice cored pineapple for our drink. Now we just have to get this part out so we have enough room for our drink. But how easy and quick was that? To make this drink extremely festive and fruity, I just added some pineapple that we cut up, some limes, and some mint to the inside of our pitcher. Look how cute this is. Baby, if you pull up with this, you're gonna get an invite again and again, period. Just add your pineapple juice. We measuring with our heart, okay? We're gonna try to fill up this pitcher. All right, next ingredient is some OJ. We're just gonna add in our OJ for our tropical punch. That's enough, that's it, that's all. Coconut water, because we're making it healthy. So we're gonna add the coconut water. Health is wealth. Last but certainly not least, bring on the Malibu, boo. Add as much as you want, okay? It's summertime. We patio pimping and cocktail sipping all summer long, okay? To really take us there, we're gonna add the rest of this coconut rum. I feel it needs a little bit of extra something, razzle dazzle. Razzle dazzle me. I think that's gonna do it. Our tropical pineapple punch is where it needs to be. We're gonna add the top. And baby, allow her to chill and get nice and cold until we're ready for the cookout. All right, y'all, this is cocktail number 3 in the Pulling Up to the Cookout series, and we're making a watermelon refresher. Because baby, it's summertime. I need to be refreshed every now and then, okay? This is gonna do it. Let me show you all of the ingredients you're gonna need for this watermelon refresher. Obviously, you're gonna need some watermelon. So we're gonna cut this watermelon up to make watermelon juice. You're also gonna need a little vodka. I like Tito's. And then some sparkling water. And then we're gonna add some fresh mint to give it that refreshing feel. That's gonna give us what we need for this summertime cookout series. Let's cut into this
$9 watermelon.
When I tell you these grocery prices are off the chain, take me back to North Carolina with the old man in the truck off the side of the road selling them for $3. Let's see if it's at least ripe, okay? Cut into her. Y'all ready? Okay. She looked like she might be sweet. I'm gonna taste a little piece. A little bit of the heart. It's at least sweet. It ain't $9 sweet, but it's sweet. Let's cut her up and juice her. Let's cut this thing up. We're gonna juice the whole thing because we need a lot of watermelon juice. Let's turn on our Ninja blender and juice this watermelon up. Power on medium. Yes. Juicy. Okay, we got our watermelon juice. We're gonna strain the watermelon juice into this bowl so we get all of the seeds and the pulp and all that stuff out. Just pure watermelon juice. Okay, so I'm just gonna strain it just like this. Baby, listen. This is about to be so good. I'm gonna take the back of a spoon and just work it like this. This is a very important step, so don't skip it. Make sure you strain it. You don't want nobody choking on no watermelon seeds. Don't have your folks choking on no watermelon seeds. And this is a great thing you can prep in advance. So you can go ahead and juice your watermelon and just keep your watermelon juice in mason jars until you're ready for the cookout, for people to pull up on you. And all you got to do is just mix it up. All right, y'all. I have about 5 or 6 mint leaves. I'm going to add to the bottom of my shaker. I'm going to muddle them up, okay? Just to have a little fresh mint in this little watermelon refresher. So it's refreshed, okay? You get what I'm putting down? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? That's what I meant to say. Ooh, that smells good. This is giving what you want on a hot July day. All right, so we're gonna add our ice to the bottom of our shaker. We're gonna add our Tito's vodka. We're gonna do about 2 ounces. You know, we're gonna let the spirit move us, literally. 1,000, 2 1,000. That's how I'm measuring, with my heart, you know, with my heart. So we're gonna add our watermelon juice. That's good. All right, watermelon juice, vodka. This is easy, y'all. All we're gonna do now is just shake her up. All right, y'all, let's pour up this watermelon refresher. I added some fresh mint at the bottom, my ice cubes. All we gotta do is shake, 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 shake that thing up. Shake the devil off, shake it up. You know what I mean. Shake, shake, shake. Yes. Let's pour her up. Watermelon refresher. She's giving summertime. Last and certainly not least, we're gonna top her with a little sparkling water. Yes, a little bubbly. Just a little bit to make her nice and festive for the cookout season. All right, let's see if this watermelon refresher is spilling the sweet tea approved. It looks delicious. And is. If you like light and refreshing drinks that's not doing too much, this is that girl. This is that girl. I'm just imagining myself already with the sun hitting my face on my patio, drinking this Arnold Palmer Slushie. Let's taste it and see if it's spilling the sweet tea approved. I got a feeling it's gonna be. My God. Baby, this is so good. A 10 out of 10 and definitely spilling the sweet tea approved. You have to pull up to the cookout with this. Bring the slushie machine and pull up and make this Arnold Palmer Slushie. All right, let's taste this tropical pineapple punch. I just feel like I'm sitting on somebody's beach right now. And I'm in my kitchen. Cheers. That's good. You see how I gulped that down? That is so good. Out of all 3, I think this one might be my favorite. It's a runner-up with the Arnold Palmer. This is delicious. And you can't really taste the liquor in this, so be careful. Be careful. Spilling the sweet tea has warned you.